In this second tutorial about regions, we're going to look at how we make fades. As we saw before, we have handles in each corner. The handles can be moved like this to create a fade. This means that the sound will go from quiet to loud. Highlight the region to get the handles back. You can also trim a fade by taking the line here and dragging that. And if you use the bottom handle here, we can drag out the fade. As we saw before, if you hold in the middle, we can move the region. If we move the region close to the next region here, it will snap. Now we can force it further, like this, and now when we let go, a crossfade will be automatically generated. We can now adjust the fades on the other region, as on this one. We can also adjust the fade points simultaneously. If I hold Command on Apple or Control on a Windows machine, I can now take this fade point here. You'll see that I'm adjusting this fade point and the fade point of the other region at the same time. The same goes for the crossfade point here. I can hold Command and adjust the crossfade point for both regions.